Omkar Dilwale. I'm from Pune, so I'm basically from Maharashtra. Uh, I completed my BTech in mechanical engineering from Pune University. After that, I started job as an analyst in Huddle India Private Limited. So after while working, I started learning programming languages, but that was not enough for me. So I came across 10x Academy for full stack development bootcamp. When I was surfing on Instagram, so I got to know about 10x Academy. I saw the 10x Academy's post. It's like for full stack development bootcamp, and very attracted thing like you will get the 5 to 20 LPA. So as I belongs to mechanical engineering stream, I attracted towards it, and I joined it. I was not aware about the programming languages and web technologies because it is all new for me. So step by step, 10x team guided me how to approach towards the languages, how to build some optimize the websites and all these things, and I did it. So every time I was whenever I was facing issues, the 10x mentors was helping me a lot. One-on-one sessions are very helpful, was very helpful for me because it gives me industry interview experiences. Because of lot of one-on-one, I was very I was very I was very freely able to give the interviews, the real interviews. So in that case, one-on-one helped me a lot. So one best part of the bootcamp is like pay after placements, and other one is the dedicated mentor support and the deep understanding of the DSA and WebTech. About mock interviews, so I was very shy before joining the 10x, but because of mock interviews, I got to know how should I give the interviews, how to face the real interview. Okay. So after whole curriculum, there was a dedicated placement team. One executive assigned for me for the placement, and she was continuously giving me interview calls. You can say one interview call for a day she was giving me, and she helped me a lot for the interview. The overall experience was too much good because it was very friendly culture while doing. Whenever I stuck while doing coding and building some sites and projects, the dedicated mentor support team was continuously helping me, and like 10x helped me a lot to change and switch my career into the well established and product based companies.